Now we are going to solve some typical problems. So the first problem is prove that 1 plus cos 2a plus cos 4a plus cos 6a is equal to 4 times cos a into cos 2a into cos 3a. So we are going to take to solve this, that is left hand side, that is 1 plus cos 2a plus cos 4a plus cos 6a. So if we see, this is 1 can be written as cos 0, and this is cos 2a, this is cos 4a, this is cos 6a. So what can we do? We will use sum or difference as a product form. So we will convert by using these two and by using these two, cos c plus cos c. So we will get 2 cos c plus d over 2, that is 0 plus 2a over 2, and cos c minus d over 2, that is minus 2a over 2, plus here we will get 2 cos, that is c plus d, that is 5a over 2, into cos c minus d, that is minus 2a over 2, that is 2a over 2, cos of minus theta is cos theta. So we get here 2 cos a into cos a minus cos of minus theta is cos theta, and 2 cos 5a over 2 into cos a, because cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So from this we can see that, sorry, not 2, here it will be 5a, 10 over 2a, that is 5a, not 2. So please deduct it. That is, remove this with the help of eraser. So next, what is going to happen? 2 cos a is common. Then we will remain with cos a plus cos 5a. Again sum form. So we will again write it. It becomes 2 times cos a plus 5a, that is 6a over 2, that is 3a, into cos a minus 5a, that is minus 4a divided by 2, that is minus 2a. So cos of minus 2a is direct cos 2a, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So we get 2 into 2, that is 4 cos a cos 2a into cos 3a, and that was our required result. So we get, which is equal to right hand side. So this is the required result. So by using these product formulas, we can do this problem very easily. You see that. Now the second problem is prove that under root 3 sin 10 degree plus under root 2 sin 55 degree is equal to cos 80 degree plus 2 cos 50 degree. Now the solution is, taking left hand side, under root 3 sin 10 degree plus under root 2 sin 55 degree. So if we see, we will write here, that is, if we make it as multiply and divide by 2, what is going to be happen? Just see. This is a trick. That is, we get under root c by 2 is sine 60 and this is sine 10 and 1 over root 2, that is sine 55 degree. So we can see that it becomes 2 sine 60 degree, sine 10 degree plus sine 2 times sine 45 degree and sine 55 degree. Here we use a little bit trick to solve this question because we have to write these two sum in the form of again sum function. So we will express these form in the product form. So 2 sin c sin d become cos c plus d, that is cos 70 degree minus cos sine expression. So we have to write sin c minus d first, it becomes sin 50 degree minus sin c plus d, that is 70 degree. That is sin alpha plus beta. Again here it becomes cos 45 degree minus 55 degree, cos of minus 10 degree, that is 10 degree, or cos d minus c minus cos c plus d, that is cos 100 degree. So we get here cos 50 degree minus cos 70 degree minus cos 100 degree can be written as cos 180 degree minus 80 degree, because in the result we have cos 80 degree as a result form, and we get plus cos 10 degree as it is, and we have the expression cos 50 degree. Just have a little mind in right hand side. So we have this, and cos 70 degree is as it is. It gives cos 180 minus theta. It is minus cos theta in the second quadrant. So we just see, we have cos 50 degree plus cos 80 degree minus cos 70 degree plus cos 10 degree. So we have these two terms, and next term we should have, that is 2 cos 50 degree. Then our expression will become right. So let's see what that is. Next we have cos 50 degree plus cos 80 degree minus, we get cos 70 degree minus cos 10 degree. So we get cos c minus cos d, it becomes 2 sin 70 plus 10 over 2, that is 40 degree, and sin 70 minus 10 over 2, that is 30 degree. So what is the value of sin 30 degree? That is half. So we get, and here it will be sin, that is be minus, this is minus 2 times. So we get cos 80 degree. While doing such question, just write down all the formulas, product and sum expression on your rough page, so that you can do such question without any mistake. So we get sin 40 degree. So here cos 80 degree, cos 50 degree plus, it can be written as sin 90 degree minus theta. So 90 degree minus 50 degree is 40 degree. So cos 80 degree plus cos 50 degree. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we get again cos 50 degree. So we get 2 cos 50 degree plus cos 80 degree. So this is our required result. So you see how can we use here 2 or 3 times sum or product and product in the form of sum and difference and sum and difference in the form of product. So these two types of formula are very important in the case of trigonometric function. Prove that is the third problem. 0 less than alpha and beta less than pi by 2, that is value of alpha and beta lying between 0 to pi by 2, that implies sin alpha plus beta is less than sin alpha plus sin beta, and deduce that sin 49 degree plus sin 41 degree is greater than 1. So the solution is as sin alpha plus beta minus sin alpha minus sin beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha minus sin beta. Now there is a question, why will we take this expression? Because we have to prove the result or relation in this expression. So we take it as sin alpha plus beta minus sin alpha minus beta. If this quantity is less than 0, then we will get our result. So we are going to solve and try to create a relation between these terms. So from this we get sin alpha cos beta minus 1 plus sin beta is common. We get cos alpha minus 1. So give it as name number 1. So we have as alpha and beta lying between 0 to pi by 2. So sin alpha is lying between 0 to 1 and sin beta is also lying between 0 to 1, and also value of cos alpha is always lying between 0 to 1 for 0 to pi by 2, and cos beta's value is also lying between 0 to 1. So from this we have as cos alpha less than 1, that means cos alpha minus 1 less than 0, that is negative quantity, and cos beta is less than 1, that implies cos beta minus 1 is less than 0. As both quantities are less than 0 and sin alpha is positive lying between 0 to 1 and sin beta is 0 to 1, we get sin alpha into cos alpha minus 1 less than 0 and sin beta into cos beta minus 1 less than 0. As both quantities are less than 0, then their sum will be sin alpha cos alpha minus 1 plus sin beta cos beta minus 1 less than 0. And this expression is equal to, that means sin alpha plus beta minus sin alpha minus sin beta less than 0. That gives sin alpha plus beta less than sin alpha plus sin beta. So this is our result. So by using this result, we have to deduct some result. So if we take alpha is equal to 49 degree and beta is equal to 41 degree and substitute the value alpha and beta in this expression, we get sin 49 degree plus 41 degree less than sin 49 degree plus sin 41 degree. So we get sin 90 degree less than sin 49 degree plus sine 41 degree. That is, we get sine 90 degree is 1. So 1 less than sine 49 degree plus sine 41 degree. That is, we get sine 49 degree plus sine 41 degree is greater than 1. That is our required result. So this is the basic problem where we use that inequality and find that inequality sign is positive or negative, and that gives our required result. Now the fourth problem is, if alpha and beta are roots of a cos beta plus b sin theta, a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c, then show that cos of alpha plus beta is equal to a square minus b over a square plus b square. So we are going to solve such problem. That is, first of all, we have to find for the value of cos alpha plus beta, what should we need? As this is a addition formula of cos, we get cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So we have to find the value of cos alpha into cos beta and sin alpha into sin beta. So just see in the question, alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So let's see what happened. We have that is a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. Now squaring on both sides. No, just see. There will be no formation. That is a square, b square, there will be no common out. So, just see what happens. First, we will express the whole expression in the form of cos function. Now, squaring. We get a square cos square theta, a square plus b square minus 2bc sin theta. As we have square form, linear form, so we will convert cos square into sin square form, so that we get the whole expression in sin form. So from the identity cos square plus sin square is equal to 1, we get cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. So it gives c square b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta. So we get a square minus a square sin square theta is equal to c square plus b square sin square theta minus 2bc sin theta. So from here we will take all the terms on the one side. So we get, and taking the common terms on the same side, that is a square plus b square into sin square minus 2bc sin theta plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic in sin theta. Alpha and beta are roots of this equation. Therefore, as this equation is sin, so sin alpha and sin beta are the roots of above equation. So as we know that product of roots is, that is sin alpha into sin beta is c over a. C means constant term over a, that is ax, that is the first term. So this is the product in the form of this, and we get the value of sin alpha sin beta. Give it same as number 2. Now again, we will express that equation in the form of cos function so that we can get the product of cos function. So again, we have a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c. That gives b sin theta is equal to c minus a cos theta. So squaring on both sides, we get b square sin square theta is equal to c square plus a square cos square theta minus 2ac cos theta. So we get, replacing sin square by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to c square plus a square cos square theta minus 2ac cos theta. So from here we get, by collecting the cos square terms and constant term on one side. So we get here b square plus a square, that is b square cos square theta and a square cos square theta. So from here we get, by taking this on this side, b square plus a square cos square theta and minus 2ac cos theta, which is same as, and b square by taking on the right hand side becomes c square minus, which is equal to 0. So cos alpha and cos beta are the roots of above equation. Therefore, product of root is c over a, that is c square minus b square over again a square plus b square, that is number 3. So using 2 and 3 in number 1, we get cos alpha plus beta is equal to c square minus b square over a square plus b square minus c square minus a square over a square plus b square. So we get a square plus b square common out, common factor in the denominator, that is the LCM, c square minus b square minus c square plus a square. So we get here a square minus b square over a square plus b square. So this is our required answer, and if we have to find out also cos of alpha minus beta, we can also find it out by using this cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. That will, it will become c square minus b square plus c square minus a square over a square plus b square, and that gives the value 2c square minus a square minus b square over a square plus b square. So that is our required result by using just, if this is the roots of given expression and we have to find cos alpha plus beta or cos alpha minus beta. So we have to do such type of tricks to solve this question. Now the fifth problem is, that is, if a sin theta is equal to b sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 is equal to c sin theta plus 4 pi over 3, then prove that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0 for ABC product is not equal to 0. Now we have to solve this problem as we have these three expressions are equal. Let A sin theta is equal to B sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 is equal to C sin theta plus 4 pi over 3 is equal to K, that is constant. So we get from here sin theta is equal to K over A and sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 is equal to K over B and sin theta plus 4 pi over 3 is equal to K over C. Then as we have AB plus BC plus CA is equal to, by dividing and multiplying by ABC, we will get, as we have 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C. AB over ABC, BC over ABC plus CA over ABC. So we get from here ABC outside here 1 over C, 1 over B plus 1 over A. So from the above expression we multiply and divide by K. That is ABC over K, K over C plus K over B plus K over A. So we will replace these values by the given values of K over A, K over B and K over C. So using these expression 1 in 2. So using 1 in 2 we will get, that is ABC over K into sin theta plus sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 plus sin theta plus 4 pi over 3. So if we see here we will use sum or difference in the form of product. So we will take first these two terms, this and this. You can take this and this also, that is our wish, because from this we will easily get theta plus 2 pi by 3. Just see. 2 sin t plus d over 2, theta plus 4 pi over 3 over 2 into cos theta minus theta over 2 plus sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 as it is. So we get ABC over K 2 sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 cos theta minus theta is cancelled out, minus 2 pi over 3 plus sin theta plus 2 pi over 3. So we get ABC over K, that is 2 sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 and cos of minus theta is cos theta and it can be written as pi minus pi over 3 plus sin theta plus 2 pi over 3. So we can take out common ABC over K, 2 into sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 is common out and we get cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta plus 1, but 2 is only here, not taken out common here, it will be written as 2 into. So we get, what is the value of cos 2 pi cos pi by 3, that is cos 60, its value is half. So we get ABC over K into sin theta plus 2 pi over 3 into 2 into minus half plus 1. So we get ABC over K into sine theta plus 2 pi over 3 into minus 1 plus 1. That gives 0. 0 into something is 0. Therefore, ABC over K into sine theta plus 2 pi over 3, that is 1 minus 1, gives 0. So it is ABC over K sine theta plus 2 pi over 3 into 0. That is equal to 0. So we have to prove this result, that is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. So hence the result proved. So in all above problem, typical problem, that is we use so many times our product forms, our sum of difference form, addition formulae, factor formulae for allied numbers. So by practice these questions, you can do so many problems. Just think over it, just use some trick to solve such questions and you will get your required result. So do practice of more questions.